ICTQual is offering Level 4 Diploma in Electrical Engineering 120 credits, 1 year, your gateway to a dynamic and innovative career in the electrical engineering field. This diploma is designed to cover the essential concepts and practical applications of electrical engineering. From circuit design and power systems to automation and renewable energy technologies, you'll gain in-depth knowledge and hands-on experience that prepare you for the challenges of modern engineering. This certification is best for jobs, and also this certification is verified by British Council. This course has 12 mandatory units which will be completed 1 year. In 1 year you'll study 12 units and earn 120 credits. This course is ideal for aspiring engineers, career changers, up-and-coming innovators, higher education candidates, international students. Route for candidates with no experience. The candidate enrolls in the program at an ICTQual approved training center. Learners will be required to complete and submit assignments based on the course's learning outcomes. These assignments will test the learner's understanding and application of the course material. Route for experienced and competent candidates. The candidate must have at least 4 years of verified experience in electrical engineering or a related field. This experience must be relevant to the learning outcomes of the qualification. The candidate must submit documentation and evidence of their work experience to demonstrate competence in the required areas. This can include job roles, responsibilities, and tasks performed that align with the learning outcomes of the course. All ICTQual qualifications are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest ICTQual approved center. Visit our website at www.ictqlab.co.uk for more qualifications and information.